Hey kings and queens, welcome back to another video of Life in My Fro. Well, even though I don't have a fro, but you get what I'm trying to say. Uh, you see, your girl hair is done. It is did by yours truly. And so what this video is about, first of all, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are good. You know, be kind to yourself, love yourself. That's, you know, the ultimate goal is to love yourself and be kind to yourself, because we are our biggest critics. But so like I was saying, in this video you're going to see me achieve this look, which is a 3-layer feed-in style. I tried my very best. I'm not a pro, okay? So don't come for me. I'm not no pro. I did the best that I can do. I'm still learning. I could be better, but I'm learning. Let's see, where can we start? How long did it take? It took me 5 days because your girl is real lazy. I'm real lazy, and I had errands and I had to go to work. So I was walking around with this undone. But lucky for me, I get to wear a hat to work, so I'm fine, you know? So that took 5 days, and I took like so many breaks. Like my breaks were like 2 hours after just doing 2 braids. I was like, yo, I'm tired. I can't do this. I don't know how people be doing their hair. So 5 days, but I'm pretty sure it would have taken me just 2. What kind of hair did I use? I use this hair. I've been using this hair since I was in middle school, so that's the only hair that I know. But apparently, using Hollywood, that's what it's called. That's the hair, the trending braiding hair right now. I didn't know that. I found out way later. So this hair is kind of frizzy, and it has like a lot of what they call flyaways. You want to call them flyaways? Yeah, they have like a lot of flyaways, and like even though I trimmed them, they're still here. They're not bad, but imagine if I didn't trim it. So I would not recommend this hair simply because of the flyaways. But other than that, like I really like this hair. I've been using it since middle school, so what it is, what it do, what's up, braiding hair, what's good. I still got love for you. So there's that. I used 3 packs of that hair. 3 packs, and then the 4th one I've only used 1 slot, since you know it comes with 3 in 1. So there's that. What else do I want to say? What else do I want to say? I want to say that I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that, you know, it was detailed enough for you or whatnot. I try my best, you feel me? Don't come for me. Hey beauties, for this style you're gonna need 3 sections as I am showing you. And then for the middle part, you want it to be kind of like, you know, long. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but as you can see right there. So what I did here, I did like a stretching method with rubber bands. So I braided it and added the rubber bands to stretch my hair. These are the results of the stretching method that I did with my hair. I want y'all to see real quick how it looked. So this is like the trickiest part to explain, and I hope that you're able to see. So you're gonna start off by your 3 strands because you are about to braid down. So in the very beginning, you're gonna braid down with your natural hair. So you braid down like 2 stitches, and then you're gonna add the tiniest piece of hair that you have, right? So this hair goes towards like the middle stitch, and you're gonna place it under your index finger always. So then you braid down just 1 stitch, and then you add hair. 1 stitch, add hair. And the pieces of hair, of course, are going to be gradually like getting thicker. The more hair that you add to that braid, the thicker it will be. So just know when to stop adding hair. So this part I'm going to try my best to explain, because child, this part is kind of hard. So to feed in the hair, you're always going to feed in from the bottom of the braid, never the top. You want it to blend in, so you put it in from the bottom. And I have fed it in with the middle strand and the right strand. So the strand that's in my right hand and the strand that's in the middle. That's how I always fed it in for the most part. You feed it in from the bottom. Don't forget that, because you want it to blend in like you didn't add any hair. How else can I explain it? Yeah, so once you feed it in, you just continue to braid like you regularly would, and then you would add more hair when you feel like it's thinning out or not being thick anymore. Now that I'm in the movie, baby, I like ooh wee, baby. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. You know how we do. Depend on who. Okay, boo. Have a a wonderful day, night, whatever you're doing right now at the moment, whatever time it is for you. And see you next time.